So this is Dana and welcome to my channel, Dana PH. So in today's video, i-share ko sa inyo kung paano nga ba mag-deactivate ng account dito sa Facebook. So, be sure na tapusin nyo yung video na to hanggang dulo para wala kayong mamiss na kahit anong steps. So, start na natin. Click nyo si Facebook. So, click Facebook. And then, go to your profile. And then, as you can see, andito na ako sa aking profile. And then, click the three burger line on the right side of your phone, of your profile. And then, scroll nyo and go down. Then, press settings. And then, press ulit natin ang settings. So, andito na tayo sa settings and privacy. Andito yung account, yung preferences, yung audience and visibility, permissions, your information, community standards, and legal policies. So, dito tayo sa personal and account information. Click natin personal and account information. And then, go to your account ownership and control. So, click natin ito, account ownership and control. And then, after that, andito yung memorialization settings and deactivation and deletion. So, press natin yung deactivation and deletion. And then, as you can see here, dito yung deactivating or deleting your Facebook account. So, meron ditong button na deactivate account and delete account. So, for now, ang ating tutorial for today is how to deactivate your Facebook profile account. So, ayan, i-press nyo i-deactivate account. Ayan. So, kailangan naka-blue siya. And then, continue to account deactivation. So, press natin yung continue to account deactivation. So, for your security, please re-enter your password to continue. So, enter lang natin yung password. Then, after that, account deactivation. Deactivating your Facebook account. So, kailangan natin mag-press ng reason kung bakit natin i-deactivate yung account natin. So, nandito is, this is temporary, I'll be back. Next is, I have another Facebook account. Then, I don't understand how to use Facebook. My account was hacked. I spend too much time using Facebook. I don't find Facebook useful. I get too many emails, invitations, and requests from Facebook. I have a privacy concern. I don't feel safe on Facebook. Other, please explain further. So, if you have any reasons pa na wala dito sa choices, so, pwede nyo i-type dito. So, for me, I will choose this is temporary and I'll be back soon. So, ayan. And then, kapag nakapili na kayo or naka-choose na kayo, kung ano nga ba yung magiging reasons kung bakit nyo i-deactivate ang inyong account, click nyo na yung continue. And then, andito na tayo sa taking a break from Facebook. So, taking a break from Facebook. Do you want to log out instead? Save post in your archive. Reactivating your account in 7 days. So, pipili kayo guys kung kailan nyo i-reactivate yung inyong Facebook account. So, for me, I need 2 days lang. So, gusto ko 2 days lang. So, ayan. And then, press nyo yung continue. So, account deactivation before you deactivate. Diba? Ang daming cheche-breche. Page you admin. Messenger, keep using Messenger. Your notification. So, ito, pipiliin nyo kung gusto nyo i-activate, i-deactivate, magiging active pa rin yung Messenger nyo. Notification. So, kung ayaw nyo naman, kung gusto nyo nang ma-deactivate both Messenger and Facebook, so, click na lang natin yung mga yan and deactivate the account. So, nakalagay dito, you can reactivate your account at any time by logging in with your email and password. So, deactivate my account. Click na natin. So, ayun. Na-deactivate na yung account nyo, guys. So, pag once na-deactivate na yung Facebook, mag-automatic log out siya, guys. So, account deactivation successful. So, kapag gusto nyong i-reactivate na, so, enter lang yung mobile number or email and then the password and then login. So, yun, marireactivate na ulit yung inyong Facebook profile. So, napakadali lang, guys, diba? So, that's all for today's video and I hope may natutunan na naman kayo sa ating video tutorials for today. And, if sa tingin nyo ay nakatulog sa inyo or may natutunan kayo, please don't hesitate to give this video a like, session expired, a like, a subscribe to my YouTube channel, and click the bell icon for more updated video tutorials na gaya na lamang nito. So, thank you for watching this video.